Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 9th, 2022, and we're going to take a look at our blooming flaming torch bromeliads right now. Wow. Look at that. There's so many. If you look, you can see how vibrant the color is. Here's a nice little close-up. Really amazing. Here's the rest right here. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our flaming torch bromeliad patch. Have a great day.